YouTube, what's up? And welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be short and sweet. I wanted to share with y'all a mystery bag that I got online on morphebrushes.com. It is valued at $25 and supposedly everything in the bag is supposed to be valued at $45. So I was just browsing online. I was on morphebrushes.com just checking it out, seeing what's on sale, and this was advertised. And it's advertised as the Backstage Pass collection. So I was like, interesting. I wonder what this is. So I start reading the description, and this is what it says. Main attraction. It's our favorite time of the year, Morphe babe. We're beyond pumped. You with us? We can't tell you who's performing just yet, but this 5-piece collection is glam-packed with everything you need to rock festival season and beyond, in brackets. Your eyes, lips, and face will definitely be the star of the show. Mic drop. And then it says, collection includes 5-piece set for eyes, lips, and face. While supplies last, no returns available, cannot be combined with any other offers. Okay. So just right off the back after I read that, I was like, oh, okay, you know, I should be able to buy just this one mystery item or mystery bag collection, and, you know, I'll be able to do my whole face. I'll be able to rock festival season and beyond. Okay, cool. So I'm like, let me buy this. Let me see what's up. So I got it and came in this thing. Pretty cute. I dig it. I dig it. This probably alone, the fabric cost them like, what, $2 to put it in. But anyways, so these are the things that came in it. A Morphe foundation primer base tint. And it says revitalizer. So that's cute. Okay, this is cute. It's valued at $12 online. Okay, that's cool if you're into primers. This is what it looks like. It's right there. We all know what that looks like. So okay, whatever, you know. It's a primer. I don't really think somebody wants to buy a primer this small. How long it's gonna last? Anyways, so that was $12. I'm like, okay. So you're giving me just a primer and it says it's supposed to rock my face. Interesting. Whatever. There's that. So then moving on, and I found this highlight and contour brush in the bag. Okay, this is cute. It's a sponge. Everybody needs sponges to put on their foundation, highlight, contour, whatever. This sponge is valued at $8. Okay, that's $8. Whatever. I still don't see the face part. How am I supposed to rock festival season? So there's that. I mean, it is a nice sponge. I like the color red. So then the next thing that came in it was a Morphe lip crayon. And it is a soft matte. Pretty cool. This is what it looks like. Just a Morphe pen, lip pen, whatever. I don't know, that's all it is, pretty much. Soft matte, so y'all could see that. Okay, so that's cool. This was valued at $9. So okay, there's the lip part. Finally, something you could apply, you know, and you'll be able to notice it. See, that has color. Primer, I put it on, wiped it on my skin, nothing. Okay, thanks Morphe. So I found these lashes in the bag. Pretty cool lashes, I'm not gonna lie. So this is $12 on the Morphe website, and they're pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie, they're very full eyelashes. So yeah, they're valued at $12, and this is the eye part, so that's cool. But you know, they're just lashes. There's nothing else for your eyes. And you know, I'm assuming everybody has their own makeup kit and all that stuff. That's great, but just the way they advertised it made it seem like, you know, you just need to buy this one mystery bag and you're gonna be able to do your whole face. False. Okay, so this is the part that really got me. Really got me. I thought this was a t-shirt. I was like, okay, there's a t-shirt. Right now we're looking at $12 for the primer, $8 for the sponge. We have $9 for the lip crayon and $12 for the lashes. That's a total of $41. Okay, so remember, this collection is worth $45, tax not included. So I'm like, okay, $41 so far, $45. So I'm like, okay, so that means this is valued at $4. I'm good at math, I passed the tax. But oh my god, this is a tote bag. So what Morphe's telling me is that I'm supposed to be a walking billboard for Morphe carrying this bag. I get it. Festival season, put your clothes in here, but really Morphe, really you couldn't give me something else? Like one eyeshadow color or just something? I mean, you know, I'm being a little hard on y'all. Please forgive me. But come on. Come on. Like, the only thing that I find usable here is the eyelashes and the lips. And everything else to me is like, I can't do anything with that. Morphe does have some really good products. Like, I'm just being like, I just had some expectations for this bag. And, you know, they weren't met. I can't return it. I'm sure I will use these products. But, again, the way they advertise just... Anyways, now on a positive note, it is giveaway day. Woo! Like for giveaway day, like for giveaway day. Woo! Okay, so what I'm deciding to give you all is my old e.l.f. palettes that I don't like because they're not pigmented. Just kidding. So my giveaway is gonna be, drumroll please, a $25 gift card from Ulta. Yay! So I know what you're thinking, like, oh my god, it's $25. Like, wow, William, you're such a cheapo, whatever. I mean, wow, Will Castle, you're such a cheapo, whatever. Oh my god, girl, give me a break. I have, what, 222 subscribers and counting. You know, I thought $25 was a good start. Just to thank y'all for subscribing and watching. And I know there's a lot of dudes on my channel, and if you made it this far, leave me a comment. But if you made it this far, like, thanks, that's what's up. Maybe you could win this for your girlfriend, or you get this for your next date. Maybe, you know, sweep her off her feet. I don't know, be like, hey, do you like Ulta? I got this for you. You know, just play it off, play it off. But yeah, that's gonna be my first giveaway. It will be announced in, let's see, let me be realistic here. When's the next video I'm gonna make? I will announce this on April 22nd. So make sure you come back on April 22nd and watch my new video. And like always, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Click that button up here. And see you on April 22nd. Bye.